recommend us to add the graph. And this is our copyright page. Thank you. So do you want to see software?
Okay. Yeah. Show me your project implementation. Just
Yes,
execute.
sir. Yes, sir, executing. So this is our login page. I will enter my details here. Login successful. Then this is our home page. And in first video we had shown how to add these like this and print here. I will add some details here. Um, Date, year, number, is marked as null. We will print this. Record inserted in database. This is our print receipt page. We can print it in PDF format or in via printer. And I will show the graphical representation also. So this way we had show chart button in it. This will show us a graph page with bar chart. And we will know as per course how much amount we had collected using this graph. Like in DBMS we had collected 11,800 amount, and in DSA we had collected 236 amount, and in 4,720 in Java course. Like this we had added. And in search record we can search the records of students. Then we can edit the course. We can add any course or delete any course. Like I will delete this course, and I can add a new course with course ID 6, course name, Python. Python is already added, so I will Kotlin. Its price will be 1,000, and I will insert this course. If I want to change, update any course, I want to change this Android development price. I can click here, and I can change this price to 5,000 and update this course. This will reflect here also. Then we can see the course list, the wall records, where all the records will be shown. And then here wave report. In wave report we can see in particular course how many students had taken this course in Java, also in DBMS from date 1 November to till date. And I will submit this. It will show the two students have taken the course DBMS, and the total amount collected is 11,800. And we can even print this list, and we can even export it to Excel file also. That's it, sir.
Okay. Fine.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. How many people? Tell me the once again your member's name.
Members name Manish Thorat, Tanmay Matre, and Raj Aditya.
Manish Thorat.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Again. Another name.
Tanmay
Just
Matre.
wait. Tanmay Matre, na?
Yes, sir.
And last one, Aryan.
Aditya Raj. Yes, myself Aryan and
Aditya.
Aditya Raj.
3 members or 4 members?
4 members.
Four members,
Four
sir.
members, sir.
Okay. Aryan also,
Yes,
na?
sir.
Okay. Okay. You can leave.
Is there any
Thank you, sir.
suggestions to add?
No, no.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Next group, second, group 2.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready? Tell me the members' name.
प्रवेश लोहार,
Hmm?
तेजस जायसवाल,
Tejas
जायसवाल,
Jaiswal.
कुणाल पटोले,
Hmm?
कुणाल पटोले,
Hello, sir.
Kunal Patode. Okay.
and सिद्धेश गावड़े.
Next. Gowde. And last one, Tejas, Kunal, Siddesh, and last one,
प्रवेश लोहार.
Pravesh. Okay. So be ready. Present. Present your project. Share your screen.
Sir, our project name is Hotel Management System. These are our group members. Content introduction, literature survey, motivation, modules, objective, process, work with methodology, software and hardware required, and reference. Survey,
What is name of your title? Hotel management.
Hotel Management System.
Go ahead.
Introduction. In the present time, there is a greater rush in the hotel because this this have become necessary to all upper class
No need.
as well as
See.
low.
Listen. No need to explain entire thing. Just आप what is your project और लास्ट टाइम क्या चेंजेस दिया था वो बोलो और अभी आपने वो क्या किया वो बताओ. Okay. No need to explain entire thing. Okay.
ओके सर, ये इंट्रोडक्शन है. नेक्स्ट करो. लिटरेचर सर्वे. नेक्स्ट मोटिवेशन, मॉड्यूल्स, सिस्टम आर्टिफैक्ट, ईआर डायग्राम, ऑब्जेक्टिव, purpose work with methodology, application. These are the software and hardware required, and these are the references. सर पिछले टाइम आपने बोला था, मतलब हमने ये कोडिंग नहीं की थी, तो आप बोले थे कोडिंग करो और सॉफ्टवेयर करो और फिर से मेरे को मिलो.
So have you completed this part?
यस सर, यस
Okay.
सर.
Show your
डन
presentation.
ऑन
Sorry, show
ऑल
your
द पार्ट.
implementation. Direct execute करो. Show me your output.
This is our front page. Then the next, here the login page. Username is admin. Password 12345. Login. Here the pages comes. Taj Group welcomes you. The hotel management system option having all the option, and the admin having all the 3 option, that is add employee, add rooms, add drivers. Now hotel management system, hotel management. Here we have new customer form. We can fill new customer updates on here. Here ID having 4 options: passport, Aadhaar card, voter ID, and driving license. We can fill the customer detail on it. Number, type number, name having XYZ, gender is male, country India, room number.
For country, you give the drop list. It will mention
Oh,
all the country name.
okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
No need to type the name of country. Like above you mention the ID, that is drop list, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
So same like that you can make for country.
Yes, sir. We update this. Check-in date 27. Deposit 2000.
For checking, you have to mention the time also there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
At
Okay,
what
sir.
time check in the customer on that particular hotel. Okay.
Okay, sir. 1 o'clock.
Note it down whatever I give the changes. Okay.
Okay, sir. We add details about the customer, then the rooms, and this detail is stored in this data. XYZ mail, then back.
Sir,
Present. Then rooms, option of room.
sir, we have
We
to
can,
execute all this. Hello, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, we have to show you all this means data we have to fill.
No, no, no. Just explain me what exactly you are doing.
Okay, sir. Sir, means here is
Because
our.
there that type of application already built. So
Okay, sir.
what you
So, sir, in this here option is admin. We have three options that means we can give information to our customers which in rooms are available, drivers, and that from here we can tell them. Uh, Here hotel management reception. From here we can search for customer info or manager info. What we have to check. We have pickup services and that all. For pickup services we can here are some cars or that. Uh, we have to display the.
okay?
Okay, sir.
Just wait. These views, who is seen to this view? Either customer or admin.
Customer can see this.
Customer can see this that type of window, right? So
Yes.
customer can fill all the information, whatever the relevant information
Uh,
which is related the customer, right?
or what he want to search in that information you want.
Okay, okay,
Huh.
just okay. Suppose I am the customer. I have filled the information that I want the room. Okay.
Huh.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Suppose I am the customer. I have filled all the information. Okay, and that information is stored in where?
Customer
Customer
info.
info.
Here load data and here customers are there.
Customer in. Hmm. Okay. So I have filled all the information. So is it possible admin can see my information, right?
Yes, sir. Admin can also see your information.
So in Okay, so in this project there are the two login. One is login is admin, and another login is customer.
Customer for he want to search or
Uh,
anything for that.
what I'm asking, how many logins in your project? Two login or only one login?
One login.
One login. That is admin or customer.
Admin.
That is admin,
Admin, sir.
sir.
Admin. Customer
Admin
can call us
only
and
change
admin
the
can
information.
customer can call us and admin can change here from.
अरे, see, suppose this website is for you use for the customer, okay, and same website can use for the admin.
No, sir.
अरे अभी मैं कस्टमर हूँ, मुझे वो रूम चाहिए, मैंने कुछ फिलअप किया तो वो डाटा सेव हो जाएगा, तो एडमिन क्या देखेगा? उसका डिटेल देखेगा ना, कौन सा कस्टमर ने रूम बुक किया है, कौन सा टाइप का बुक किया है, एसी बुक किया है कि नॉन एसी बुक किया है, ये सब चीजें वो एडमिन देखेगा ना।
हाँ.
Yes.
Yes,
वो
sir.
मुझे एडमिन का पेज दिखाओ मुझे। अभी मैंने कस्टमर का इंफॉर्मेशन फिल किया, अभी एडमिन का पेज दिखाओ मुझे। एडमिन क्या देखेगा?
सर ये हमारे कस्टमर्स की इन्फो है ना, एडमिन यही देखेगा ना.
अरे तो दो लॉगिन चाहिए ना, वन लॉगिन फॉर एडमिन, वन लॉगिन फॉर कस्टमर। यस और नो?
यस सर.
Make that.
अरे यही कस्टमर का वेबसाइट है तो एडमिन क्या देखेगा? दैट इज माय क्वेश्चन।
Sir, this is admin website. Customers say all the details about himself.
Yes, I agree. If this is admin website, then how the customer is fill the information?
Admin information fill करेगा.
एडमिन फिल करेगा कस्टमर का इंफॉर्मेशन।
हाँ, कस्टमर बताएगा ना सर.
अच्छा,
एडमिन फिल
कस्टमर
करेगा.
बताएगा।
हाँ, एडमिन
हम्म।
फिल करेगा. और देन जो चेंजेस हो गए अबाउट द चेक इन चेक आउट ऑल द फिल
अच्छा,
बाय
मुझे एक
एडमिन.
बताओ, ये कस्टमर वहाँ पे फिजिकली आने के बाद वो फिल करेगा कि कस्टमर घर पे बैठ के फिल फिल करेगा?
Sir, physically.
फिजिकल, ओके। तो ऐसा बोलो ना,
यस.
पूरा एक्सप्लेन प्रॉपरली करो। उसके बाद नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या है? चलो करो कंप्लीट, डू इट फास्ट।
सर ये पिकअप सर्विसेज वगैरह भी है.
ओके, इसका यूज बताओ, व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ योर प्रोजेक्ट?
So customer can apply for rooms.
Sir, this is for
All the
कस्टमर
facility
कैन
are
अप्लाई फॉर,
available in the hotel.
so this
so there
app
is
is built for hot.
simply this application can use admin. Hmm? अरे
Sir,
बेटा,
yes, yes, sir.
suppose for example I have
Application
website,
only.
suppose I want to check whether it is available or not. Okay,
Yes.
listen, मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ पहले सुनो। Heard about the ओयो? ओयो सुना है क्या? नाम सुना ओयो?
Yes, sir.
अरे यस और नो?
Yes.
हाँ, ओयो का
Yes, sir.
वेबसाइट देखा है आपने, क्या होता है ओयो
Yes,
में?
sir.
ओयो में होटल बुक करते हो ना? इज इट पॉसिबल टू बुक द होटल? यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
अगर ये कस्टमर फिजिकली वहां पे जाता है तो देयर इज नो यूज ऑफ दिस वेबसाइट यार। थोड़ा सा सोचो और कंप्लीट करो इसको, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
ऑल
So we have
ऑल
to
कैन
make
लीव।
two login pages, right?
अरे आप थिंक करो थोड़ा सा, अभी मैंने
Hello.
वो एक और वेबसाइट बताया ना, कैसा है क्या है। एक कस्टमर फिल करता है, अगर कस्टमर फिल करता है तो वो जाता है ना एडमिन के पास।
Okay, okay.
ठीक है,
Okay, sir.
चलो नेक्स्ट ग्रुप।
Okay, sir. Thank you.
नेक्स्ट ग्रुप, थर्ड। This is third group, group number third. Okay. अरे टीम मेंबर्स के नाम बोलो फर्स्ट. One second. Yes, Prabhu. Hmm? Devdatta. Next. Okay. Now, now start. What is your title name? Which? Okay. Hmm. Now complete. करो. क्या किया लास्ट टाइम क्या बताया था और अभी क्या कर किया आपने बताओ. How much percent completed? 70. ओके. सो करो जितना हुआ है उतना कंप्लीट. जितना कंप्लीट किया उतना दिखाओ मुझे. हम्म. हम्म. ओके ओके. थोड़ा बैकग्राउंड सेट करो. थोड़ा अच्छा सा बैकग्राउंड सेट करो. अच्छा दिखना चाहिए. मेक इट गुड फॉर what exactly doing your project. हाँ वो तो करो. ड्राफ्ट है. दिस इज नो बट व्हेन यू विल बी कंप्लीट द एंटायर प्रोजेक्ट. ओके. हाउ मच टाइम you have right now? Hmm? Right now during your period, you have very less period. Okay, so within that particular period you have to complete it, the entire project. Yes. Okay, so do it fast your project. Okay, make it good look and all everything. Complete it fast. So exactly क्या कर रहे हो वो बताओ मुझे. That is what is the role of admin and what is the role of your people. ठीक है. नो 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 इशू. इम्प्लीमेंट करके मत दिखाओ. आई गॉट इट बट एग्जैक्टली क्या कर रहे हो वो बताओ. एक्सप्लेन मी सिंपली. Tournament it means that what type of games you can implement it. Either tournament it means that like sports na, right? Outdoor sports like cricket, football, like that, right? Okay. So कौन सा sports आप ऐड कर रहे हो? Cricket or what? हम्म. ठीक है. जस्ट Okay, okay. Just last question. Tell me the exact date or exact period that you will be completed the whole project and show to me. कब तक complete करके आप show करोगे? You have to ping me and show me. Okay, don't wait for the review panel and all. कब तक complete करोगे? Okay. हम्म, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. Go ahead. Okay. Okay. Complete. Oh, oh, okay. Now all can.
Sir, 3 December is the
Okay.
last and final review, no?
Hmm.
After that, we don't have to show our project, right?
Yes, yes. Before oral exam, you have to complete it entire thing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All can leave.
Thank you, sir.
Anybody is having doubt? Yes, sir. Now, that depend on you people. Doesn't matter. Okay. If you have mentioned the college name, then that is good. That your application is what you call the related to college. Okay.